Dear students, welcome back in our class. I hope you all are fine. Children, in our last class, we had studied the story, The Fun They Had. We had read the story as well as we had learned the new words and their meanings. I had assigned you some task as homework to do. The later part of the story means actually later exercises which have been given after the story. So I hope you would have tried to do so, but on the demand of the students, so many students, I am here again with the solutions of these exercises. So the first exercise what we have to do is answer these questions in a few words or a couple of sentences each. How old are Margie and Tommy? The first question is, how old are Margie and Tommy? So Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13. You have to write this in words. What did Margie, the second question, what did Margie write in her diary? So write the exact wordings which she writes. Today Tommy found a real book. हाँ करके जो था आप देख सकते हैं. She had written today 17th May 2157 Tommy found a real book. So try to write the same. Question number 3. Had Margie ever seen a book before? No, she had never seen a book before. What things about the book did she find strange? क्या strange था, क्या कुछ अजीब था बुक में जो मार्गी को मिला? तो पहला क्या था कि the texts were printed on yellow and wrinkled pages. ठीक है, yellow and wrinkled pages, crinkly word यूज किया गया है इसके लिए. और दूसरा स्ट्रेंज थिंग क्या है कि वो शी फाइंड्स द टेक्स्ट स्टैंडिंग एट द सेम प्लेस. द टेक्स्ट ऑफ द बुक वर स्टिल. They were not moving as they move on the screen. Now question number 5. What do you think a telebook is? So a telebook is displayed on the television screen and the text of a telebook is similar to a book. Telebook में भी टेक्स्ट बुक के ही जैसा टेक्स्ट होता है, बट जो हम पेजेस पे देखते हैं रियल बुक्स में, वो टेलीबुक में हमें स्क्रीन पे देखने मिलता है. इट माइट बी टेलीविजन, कंप्यूटर और मोबाइल स्क्रीन. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. वेयर वॉज मार्गीज स्कूल? Margie's school was near her own bedroom. Did she have any classmates? No, she had no any classmates. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Margie, when you're through the story, you had got an incident in which we come to know that Margie learned geography and mathematics. Tommy learned history. Now question number 2. Answer the following questions with reference to the story. आपको कुछ एक्सट्रैक्ट दिए गए हैं. यहाँ पर 2 एक्सट्रैक्ट मिले हैं जिसके बेस पर आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर में ऐसा 4 नंबर का क्वेश्चन आता है. तो देखिए क्या मिला हुआ है हमें. I wouldn't throw it away. Who says these words? These words have been told by Tommy when he is comparing the book with the telebooks. Now what does it refer to? It किसके लिए है? तो it refers to the real book, the old book. Now, what is it being compared with by the speaker? So, it is being compared with by the speaker with the telebooks. Now, sure they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. Who does they refer to? They किसके लिए आया है? Who had a teacher? For the former generations, like the generation of Tommy's grandpa's grandpa. You can say the children in the time of Tommy's grandpa's grandpa has been referred to with this word they. What does regular mean here? यहाँ regular का मतलब क्या है? Regular का मतलब यहाँ regular teacher से है, जो कि regular teacher यानी mechanical teacher से है. Regular means here usual, and in this when we add it with the teacher, it becomes mechanical teacher. So what is it contrasted with? It is being contrasted with a man, a human. Answer each of these questions in a short paragraph, about 30 words. So the first question is, what kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? The answer to this question is, Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They were taught on computers and television screens. They did not have a living person as a teacher who would teach the pupils in a classroom. Now, question number 2. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Margie's mother sent for the county inspector because the mechanical teacher was not functioning efficiently. It had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse. Now question number 3. What did he do? उसने क्या किया? Here he comes for county inspector. ये जो ही है county inspector के लिए है. तो उसने क्या किया? He slowed down the mechanical teacher's speed up to an average 10-year level. The mechanical teacher's speed was controlled and adjusted according to the IQ level of Margie. Now, question number 4. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? So, the answer to this question is, Margie was doing badly in geography because the mechanical teacher was very fast in displaying the questionnaire. The county inspector adjusted its speed up to an average 10-year level. Thus, the mechanical teacher's speed was controlled appropriately. The county inspector assured that the overall pattern of Margie's progress was quite satisfactory. Now, question number 5. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Tommy के टीचर के साथ क्या हुआ था? Tommy's teacher, it was a mechanical teacher, okay? So Tommy's teacher was taken away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So Tommy had nothing to do during that period. He only relaxed and enjoyed. Now let us discuss question number 6. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? Why? If so, why? Yes, Margie had regular days and hours for school because her mother said little girls learn it better if they learn it at regular hours. Now question number 7. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Tommy says that the old schools were different. They had a special building and all the kids went there to study. They laughed and shouted in the schoolyard. They enjoyed time together and learned lessons together in a classroom. Now let us discuss the question number 8. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? The answer is, he says that the old teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. They gave homework to students. They were not mechanical teachers but living human beings. Now question number 4. Answer each of these questions in 2 or 3 paragraphs in 100 to 150 words. Question number 1 is, what are the main features of a mechanical teacher, of the mechanical teachers and school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? तो आपने बच्चों पढ़ा था मैकेनिकल टीचर के मेन फीचर्स के बारे में. They were mechanical teachers. Margie and Tommy did not go to school for getting a formal education. The mechanical teacher was placed in one of the rooms of the house, and they can get knowledge of various subjects individually from the mechanical teacher. They didn't require books or exercise books. The examination system was also very different. They had to write the homework in punch code and insert them in some slot provided for it. Okay. Same, they had to insert the test papers, and in no time the papers were checked and marks were calculated by the mechanical teacher. It was automatically active at a fixed time, and it also shut down itself. There were regular hours and days. On Saturday and Sunday there was no school. So try to combine these all facts in 2 or 3 paragraphs and try to follow the word limit. Now question number 2. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Excuse me. Margie hated her school because she had a mechanical teacher. It was in her house. She was supposed to sit in that room alone to complete her home task or assignments. And the part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She thought that old schools must have been fun because students used to sit together in the classroom. They enjoyed, laughed, and shouted in the schoolyard. Children needed company to enhance their skill. If they are isolated, they get depressed and dejected, and Margie felt isolated in her school. That's why she hates the school, and she thinks that old kind of school must have been fun. So children, try to include these all points in your answer and follow the word limit. Question number 3. Do you agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the schools in the story? Do you think just like Margie or other than her? It is your own opinion that schools today are more fun, or the schools like Margie are more fun. So you yourself collect the ideas, think over it and collect some ideas, and then write the reasons along with the answer whether the old kind of schools are more fun or the Margis kind of school are more fun. Don't forget to mention the reason for it. Okay, so children, do it yourself. Here there is thinking about language section. It has been given in a very easy way, like self-study way, you can say. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history chapter had blanked out completely. The word complete is an adjective. When you add ly to it, it becomes an adverb. There are so many adjectives which takes ly at their end and converts into adverb. Okay. So the word complete is an adjective, and when you add ly to it, it becomes an adverb. Find the sentences in the lesson which have the adverbs given in the box. So here in the box you have been provided some adverbs. And you have, with the help of them, you have to fill these blanks. Number 1, the report must be read. The answer will be carefully. Let me write it here. Carefully. Then, at the interview, Samir answered our questions loftily. Now, we all behave dash when we are tired or hungry. What should be written here? It must be differently. Like that, the teacher shook her head sorrowfully. Must be here, sorrowfully, when Ravi lied to her. Again, I dash forgot about it. I completely forgot about it. We have done this also. Now question number 7. The president of the company is dash awfully busy. Here that will be awfully. This one will be filled here, will be appropriate for this place. Now number 8. I finished my work dash so that I could go out to play. एक क्या बच रहा है यहाँ? Quickly. Quickly. Right here. Quickly. एक रह गया है nonchalantly, that is for question number 6. When I complimented Revati on her success, she just smiled nonchalantly and turned away. So an adverb, you must remember, an adverb describes action. You can form adverbs by adding ly to adjectives. Spelling note: when an adjective ends in y, the y changes to I when you add ly to form an adverb. Like in angry, angry ends with I, but when you add ly to it, it becomes I and ly comes after it. So in this way we change adjectives into adverb. Now you yourself just try to make adverbs from these adjectives by turning these voice into eyes and adding elva. Try to do it yourself. Imagine that Marky's mother. Here the use of if not and unless has been explained to you. You yourself go through this text. Imagine that Margy's mother told her, you'll feel awful if you don't finish your history lesson. She could also say, you all feel awful unless you finish your history lesson. Unless means if not. Sentences with unless or if not are negative conditional sentence. जब भी unless या if not से कोई sentence लिखा हो तो वो एक कंडीशनल सेंटेंस है और वो भी नेगेटिव कंडीशनल. Notice that these sentences have two parts. The part that begins with if not and or unless tells the condition. जिस पार्ट में, दो पार्ट में है, देख लीजिए. यहाँ unless you finish your history and if you don't finish your history. तो ये जो पार्ट है ये क्या कर रहा है, ये हमें कंडीशन बताता है. दिस पार्ट हैज अ वर्ब इन द प्रेजेंट टेंस. लुक एट द वर्ब्स. डोंट फिनिश इन द सेंटेंसेस अबव. ठीक है ना. आप देखिए यहाँ प्रेजेंट टेंस का यूज किया गया है. डोंट फिनिश एंड अगेन फिनिश, कंडीशन ले करने के लिए. The other part of the sentence tells us about a possible result. It tells us what will happen. The verb in this part of the sentence is in future tense. जो क्या हो सकता है, मतलब मीन्स कंडीशन पूरा नहीं करने पे रिजल्ट क्या हो सकता है, तो उसको देखिए फ्यूचर टेंस में बताया गया है. तो इसको नोटिस करेंगे. Notice these two tenses again in the following examples. यहाँ भी आपको तीन एग्जाम्पल्स दिए गए हैं जो अनलेस या इफ अनलेस से जुड़े हुए यानी कंडीशनल है. एक पार्ट जो है वो प्रेजेंट टेंस में है और कंडीशनल वाला हिस्सा, और दूसरा वाला जो हिस्सा है वो फ्यूचर टेंस में है जो उस कंडीशन का एक रिजल्ट बता रहा है. Now complete the following conditional sentences. Use the correct form of the verb. If I don't go to Anu's party tonight, you can end it in your own way. I will क्या हो सकता है पार्टी में अगर नहीं जा पाए तो I will be very upset. I'll be very upset. I'll feel sorry. I'll never forgive myself. Such kind of reply is expected from you. You yourself try these next 4 sentences. You add your own context here, but don't forget to add here the simple future tense. The last exercise of this story is writing an official letter. This letter is a letter of order. In our next video, in our next class, I will try to discuss letter for making order separately and in details. आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you and have a nice day.